My name is Bill Strobel. I'm the CEO of NOvate Medical Technologies, LLC, a New Orleans-based designer and manufacturer of low-cost medical devices that address world health needs. Our first patent-pending product, SafeSnip, is designed to safely and simultaneously clamp, cut, and shield the umbilical cord from infection. While we ultimately plan to market this product globally, our initial target will be developing countries where we believe SafeSnip will have the most significant impact, since a freshly cut umbilical cord is a significant area of potential infection. Thank you.